An inspection can result in one or more failed findings. Within the Safety 101 checklist feature, you can create one or more observed hazards for each failed finding. To create an observed hazard from a failed finding, select Unresolved Findings from the left-hand menu. Next, you can use the filters at the top of the screen to find the specific unresolved finding where you would like to create an observed hazard. For this example, we're going to use establishment. Once you find the unresolved finding where you would like to create the observed hazard, select Resolve on that unresolved finding. Next, you'll be taken to a screen where you get asked the question, what would you like to do with this failed finding? Select Record Observed Hazard. Next, you can use the information at the top of the screen to record the observed hazard details. Once complete, you can also put in notes, total cost, and tags. At the bottom of the screen, select Add Observed Hazard. Now you have successfully created an observed hazard from the unresolved failed finding. Once an observed hazard is created, it will go through its own corrective action process within the Safety 101 Incident Management feature. It is important to note that creating an observed hazard from a failed finding does not resolve that failed finding within the checklist feature. There are only two ways to resolve a failed finding. One is by clicking Mark as Resolved button, which you see right here, and the other is by creating a corrective action here and then implementing it within the checklist feature.